Hello, welcome to the Microsoft Excel. Hello, welcome to this Microsoft PowerPoint training. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create your photo album, and you can also convert this photo album into a video. So, what are we going to do? We're going to start by inserting our photos. So to get our pictures into the Microsoft PowerPoint environment, we're going to go to the ribbon and then we click Insert tab. And then on the Insert, you will see Photo Album option under the Image section. You see Photo Album Image Group. So all you need to do is click the New Photo Album option. And then here you want to select where you are bringing your pictures from. So you will choose in the photo album dialog box, you choose file or disk option, and then you will go to where your files are. So I want to pick all these pictures, maybe to create an album based on my Excel series function series. Okay, so I want to take off these ones. Wow, I got a lot of other selections that I don't want. Okay, so let me just do this. I don't want to select everything. So I want just this minus this and this. Good. So I have all these, and that is what I want to use. I'll click Insert. So even if you're trying to remove pictures that you don't want, you can always take them off from here by selecting which one to remove or which one to reposition, which one should come first and which should come last. For instance, if I want to remove this particular one, of course I can select it and select remove. Okay, but I'm not removing anything. And then, do I want to convert all pictures to black and white? This is the option. And then, do I want the picture layout? Do I want it to fit into a slide? Yes. Or do I want one picture system? That means the picture will come in between. Or do I want two pictures approach? Then two pictures will be placed side by side, or four pictures on a slide. I'm just going to go with fit to slide. Okay. So with these options, you can now click create. So we create a photo album. So you see that the photo album has been created for you. The cover page is there. If you like, you can change it. You can say let's say Excel 65 function series. Okay, so that's my album cover, and then these are the pictures. Everything has been placed. Okay, and you can use this album, create album, for option when you have series of screenshots that you want to combine into a presentation. Why not? You can use it. So if I choose to show my slide using from the beginning, you can see that the pictures are quite fantastic. Okay, so those are the functions that I've done so far in Microsoft Excel, and then of course it's on the YouTube channel. And so if you're interested in watching this, why not? You can subscribe and pick any of the functions you want to learn and learn step by step. Okay, so now that's the photo album that I've created. Now the next step is I want to turn it into a video. So I'll go to File, go to Save As. I'll pick my location. Okay, my destination is very important. So let's say I want to put it on the desktop. Then here I will change the format to video. So there's MP4 video format. Just select the MP4 video format and save. So at the bottom, you will see exporting. So it takes some time to run that export. And then, of course, the export is for the purpose of converting it into a video format. So the number of, what do you call it? The number of slides that you have will determine how fast this will be. Okay, so the video export is done successfully. Now we can click here at the bottom. It says click here to view the video and share. So this location may be on save, whatever location is that, it doesn't matter. If you want to continue, it's still my own personal system. So I will just say yes. And so some files can contain virus. It doesn't matter. These are some of the warnings that you have in Microsoft application based on your security system. Okay, so now this is a video, and you can see that it is showing the slides one after the other. Mind you, it's playing a video, so which means I can pause, I can speed it up. Can you see? And I can play it. And then another thing that I didn't do is, if you like, before you convert to video, you can apply transition, which is very good thing to do. You can use slide transition, maybe something like let's say page coil, yes, and you can apply to all, and then you can view your show, see how it's going to be. So the beautiful thing about this is that when it's converting to video, it's going to use whichever animation or transition that you have added to the presentation. It's also going to show in the presentation. So this is a photo album created using the pictures that I created for my Microsoft Excel functions training on my YouTube channel. Okay, so all the videos on these functions are on the YouTube channel, all of them from 1 to this, and we're still going to 65. All right, so thanks for watching. I hope you've learned something today. Bye for now.